Want to surpass diabetes and lower your A1C? Join a diabetes empowerment team. All goals, including health and diabetes, are challenging. Yet, we don't have to shrink into inadequacy, give up, or do it alone. Humanity's greatest fear isn't failure or inadequacy, but the responsibility of success and embracing one's power beyond measure, especially in critical areas like diabetes. If you're serious about unlocking your health potential, cash in on our powerful support. Learn how the athletes do it and master the tools to get healthy and overcome diabetes. Transform yourself and others. We'll certify you in communications and life coaching. Meet and brainstorm with like-minded trainers, friends, and coaches. Enjoy meaningful times around your priorities and have the time of your life. But what if you don't have an empowerment team? I'm Joseph of Personal Empowerment Teams and author of Legacy Portal. Empowerment teams helped me overcome all aspects of poverty and addictions. They helped me increase my income from $40,000 annual to $120,000 monthly, earning $3.5 million by age 47. They also helped me lower my A1C from over 13 to under 6 and lose 50 pounds after the weight I gained from my near-death car accident. Join us in paying it forward, meeting like-minded trainers, friends, and life coaches with similar success stories. In closing, I'm giving away 3 diabetes and empowerment courses valued at over $5,000 each. Thank you for watching and sharing with others. Subscribe, like, comment, and claim your free diabetes and empowerment course to become who and what you always wanted to be.